Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you one of the best ever Philly cheesesteak lasagna. Okay, that's what we're going to be making today. And it's going to be a delicious, epic lasagna, no doubt about it. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I got. I got like 4 cups of mozzarella and provolone cheese mixed. I have 1 red bell pepper, 1.5 bell pepper, the red one, and a whole green bell pepper in here. All right. This is some ragu, classic Alfredo. This is just simply salt and pepper mixture I made up. This right here is Parmesan, Romano, and ASIAGO. Here's some garlic salt. Here's some COLBY cheese. I have some provolone cheese. I have some MOZZARELLA cheese. I have some A1 steak sauce. I have some tomatoes. I have 3 garlic that's been chopped up finely, and some fresh thyme. So there's a teaspoon of fresh thyme in there. I have 1.5 cups of mushroom chopped up, and I'm not gonna put it in mine because I don't want to eat all this by myself. So you can use the onion. So this recipe is called for onion, but I'm not gonna put it in mine, okay? All right, we have here's sirloin Philly steak right here. It's like 4 in a package of these. All right. Let me see if I can open this up. Should be room temperature by now. Let's start over with it. All right. So that's how it looks. So we're gonna have a total of 8 of these. All right. And right here I have some lasagna, just 1 box. I'm only going to make not a big pan, and I really don't know the size of it. I don't know, 5 by 10 or 12 or whatever. But anyway, this is what I'm going to use right here for that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start. I already chopped this stuff up, so I'm good on that. And let's go ahead and go to the thing and get this stuff cracking. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and put a little of this olive oil in there. Roughly about a tablespoon. I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter in it. Knock stuff over. While I'm doing it. Yeah, I can use this spoon because I'm going to get in there anyway. Like a tablespoon of butter. Alright. So yes, I have to use something big like this to do this. Alright. We're going to come in here with our vegetables. Our bell peppers. Put those in there because they take a while to cook. And I'm going to scoop them over to the side like. I'm going to put my meat in there as well. That. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. All the meat is in there. And I'm going to take some of this salt and pepper mixture. Put like a teaspoon of that in there. Well, probably 1/2 teaspoon because it's like I grinded mine up pretty fine. So like a 1/2 teaspoon. Yeah, I got like a grinder and I grind mine up to make it like a powder substance. Okay, see how this coming together? Now what we're gonna do is take our fresh thyme and garlic, and we're just going to put that in there with it. Just like that. Mix that up. Since we got all that stuff going, we're going to go ahead and add our mushroom. We're going to start breaking down. If you don't want no mushroom, you don't have to put mushroom in yours. So that you know. We love mushrooms over here, so. You know, to each his own, right? You the master in your kitchen. I'm just giving you an idea, that's all. Alright guys, I'm finished cooking this up. It shouldn't take no more than about 5 more minutes. Cooking it on medium. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next. Matter of fact, I'll show you exactly what we're finna do right now. Bring this camera up. Okay guys, bear with me. So, what I got going on over here is a pot of water. Right over there. See if I can zoom in a little bit. I'm going to take my pasta and put some of that in there. Take this salt first. Sea salt. Seasoning water. So that's like a teaspoon of that. Now if you want to, you can put some olive oil in it, or you want to dry out just a little crumb. Like so. Take our noodles and just put them in there whole. Just like this. Just like that. Okay? Hopefully we should have enough noodles. Alright, we're going to let that cook. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now this here is done. See that? This is done. So we gotta let this cool off because we don't want to melt all our stuff at one time. So take this off and we're gonna let that cool down. I'll see you guys. We're gonna start putting this back together in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Stuff cooled down. Here's the meat. And here's the pasta. Alright, so we're gonna put some sauce at the bottom because we don't want our noodles to stick. Just like you do any other lasagna. Okay, that's that. That salt tastes good. Pretty good salt. Wash my hands up. Grab us some noodle. Like so. Just like that. Then we're going to take us some cheese. Put on there because we got to have something to stick to, right? Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350. Alright. Come in with this Parmesan. Okay. Now, what's going to happen here is we know our meat got plenty of flavor, but I always, anytime I make for the cheesesteak, I always put like some of this A1 steak sauce on it. So just drizzle, do a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. Just like this, y'all. You don't want to overwhelm it. Okay? Just like that. Alright, and you can drizzle you a little this sauce on there, just a crumb. Alright, now we're going to go ahead ahead and come back in here with some more, a little bit more cheese on this one. Just a little bit because we gotta make it stick, right? We want this stuff to stick. Just like that. And you come back in with your noodles, and so forth and so on. That's all we're doing. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and complete this up, and I'll show you what we're looking like in a minute. Okay, guys, at the top now. So what I'm gonna do is take some of this provolone cheese. Well, I'm gonna have to put some of the steak sauce on there first. That means the oven's already preheated. So that's the temperature it needs to be at. All right, I'm gonna take some of the provolone cheese. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of the sauce, put a little bit more sauce on it. I like to keep it a little moisture in it. Okay. Get this good, guys. That should be enough. Wash the hand. Alright, we're gonna come with this. Sauce, I could have made some wraps or something. Show you that one next time. Yeah. Just like that. Try not to use too much of this stuff. This costs about $4 or $5. Alright, throw a little bit more of the sauce on there. Have a creamy look to it. Okay. Alright. Then we're gonna come on this cheddar. Alright, monster cheese. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this because this is gonna give me some problems over here. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Show you how it looks. Okay, guys, that's it. Take this on white paper. Put this over there. Stick. Take my foil, put that on there. Alright, in a minute, I'm going to start working on this garlic bread, since I forgot to mention it to you guys. Got some butter right here, I'm just going to put some of that on there. Season it lightly. Just like that. I got some spray butter. We're gonna toast these up. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's the garlic bread, lightly toasted garlic. This is the best Philly cheesesteak lasagna ever. That mug is super cheesy. As you can see, I will cut it for a thumbnail, but it has to cool down, so I'm not trying to cut it right now. So, but that's it right here, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys make this recipe. It is pretty good. Well done, approved. I'm just talking fast. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to this channel. And tell all your friends and family to tune in to Veldog's Kitchen, where we be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. And please don't forget to, yes sir, hit that bell. Yes sir, hit the bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. I'll see you guys next time in Veldog's Kitchen. Veldog, I'm out.